doing, Rhonda?
Avoiding you. I'm doing 300 hats for Metalworks. Different styles, different, same logo, just positioned different size.
I am putting on the Harris Decal logo on the garage door here. I tried it once, probably about 6 months ago. Had some issues because it's got a real deep inset to it. Tried it a different way, and I'm gonna try it probably the correct way I should have done it the first time. But should look really neat and help out with pictures and stuff like that with cars that we
working on stuff for the Lincoln Correctional Center. They have different clubs, and each club wants a shirt design and then some kind of hats. So I'm working on looking through the artwork that they sent me and seeing if it works or not, and laying out some designs for them. They send me stuff like this. What's Judy gonna do?
What are you doing, Jordan?
I'm doing decals.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm working on changing a page to our website. Not much going on today.
I am working on a new hat design for Titan's NDT. He wants to change it up so it doesn't look more like it does not look like a patch. Originally he has a circle around it, so he wants to just take the actual helmet part.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a truck in here. Just getting a wrap job done for Midwest Port Walls. Similar to what we've done before with these guys. Gotta wrap the hood, doors, rear panels.
Thank you.